Have you driven up I-70 to the mountains lately? It takes forever, and nearly every time I drive it, there's an accident of some sort. What if we could relocate a majority of the traffic from the roads to a train? I am proposing that we build a high-speed train up the I-70 corridor, starting at the base of the foothills in Golden, with stops in major towns along the way, ending in Vail. This train would leverage existing rail lines from Denver to Union Station and Union Station to C-470 in Golden to create a continuous public line connecting the airport to the mountains. This project, estimated at a $10 to $15 billion in cost, would likely span a 5 to 7 year period. Funding for this project would be sourced at all levels of government, federal, state, county, as well as the corporate sector. This project has a clear goal with an established solution, so a linear, iterative approach will be used to create each section of the rail at a time. The project is not without risks, ranging from the need for many tunnels to how transit lines handle inclement heavy winter weather. However, I believe the reduction in roadway travelers would drastically improve the safety and reduce the amount of time required to get to the mountains.